Then there is the non-financial performance measures. The non-financial performance measures focus on the operational, on market related, and the organizational aspect of an organization that drive future financial performance and indicate organization's effectiveness. You understand? They do not focus on the monetary results of an organization. Non-financial measures like the customer-related measures. We have customer-related measures. The customer-related measures like customer satisfaction score, the net promoter score. Understand? We have the customer retention rate, the customer acquisition cost, the market share, and so on. Those are customer-related measures. These are measures that help to gauge for example, the loyalty of customers, the satisfaction of customers, and so on. 2, we have internal processes measures. Internal processes measures like the production cycle time, like the defect rate, the on-time delivery rate, inventory levels, process efficiency, and so on. Those are internal processes measures. 3, there is innovation and learning measures. Innovation and learning measures like the number of new products that are launched. You can count in a year how many new products have been launched. We have the time to market for new products. There is the employee satisfaction scores, employee turnover rate, investment in research and development. The investment in research and development is also a measure that can help us understand the non-financial performance of an organization. You understand? Yes. Then we have sustainability. Now, related to sustainability is the social responsibility and social responsibility measures. Now, what are examples of the sustainability and social responsibility measures? We have environmental impact metrics, ethical sourcing, community involvement, and so on. So these are the non-financial performance measures. You understand, candidates? Yes, we are studying measuring corporate performance, which we have said is a crucial aspect of strategic control, and the areas of corporate performance measurement encompasses financial and non-financial.